This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hey there, friends! Look, I found a paw print! I wonder who it belongs to. Oh, did you hear that? I think that's the paw print owner. Whoa, it's a dinosaur! Look how big his teeth are! And he's got a long, beautiful tail. I think he has such big teeth because he likes to eat meat. I am a big dinosaur! But Dino, why are you roaring? Oh, I think I get it. You are hungry. Since our Dino likes meat, he is a predator. How can we feed you, Dino? Oh, look, it's a frog! And a snail. A dragonfly and a ladybug molds. Let's try to make these figures from plasticine. The frog's paws are going to be red, and the rest of its body is going to be green. We'll pull it out really carefully, like this. Wow, look at the frog we made! Is Dino really going to eat it? Oh, I think our Dino is a vegetarian. He wouldn't eat the frog. Good boy, Dino. I think there's something missing here. We need to help Dino. Let's pick up the tail and put the plasticine right here. Now, we'll just press it. Whoa! Look at this! Our Dino's got a tongue. What a long tongue you have, Dino. Ha ha! But your back is missing some colorful scales. We will use some green plasticine, some yellow plasticine, and a piece of an orange plasticine. Let's press it on again. Wow! We've got beautiful, colorful, and vibrant scales for our little dinosaur. What is this thing? It looks like a press. I wonder what will happen if we put yellow, orange, and red plasticine in here. Now let's press and see the result. Oh wow, it's beautiful! It's like a real volcano is erupting. And that's a lot of lava! Dino, be careful. The lava is very hot. I think Dino got scared. But what if we make a magic tree out of this volcano? I am sure that our vegetarian Dino will love it and he will be able to taste it. Just look at the leaves I'm making here. It's very easy. You can try it too. Let's add patterns to our leaves to make them look like the real thing. Now we'll attach the leaves to the trunk of our magical tree, just like this. What do you say about this, Dino? He seems to like it! Now let's make some friends for him. This is where our frog will live. But it needs roommates. Let's start with the dragonfly. It's going to have blue wings. Do you like its purple body? I love it. Next, we'll make a snail. Look how cute it turned out. What a fun magical tree we made! The friends want to make Dino happy, so they feed him a leaf. What a yummy leaf it is! Dino liked it so much. Thank you, friends. Uh-oh, I don't think Dino's full. What do we do? Let's feed him some fruits and veggies. We will need yellow, purple, orange, dark green, green, and light green plasticine. I wonder what kind of veggies we can make. Let's start with green. From these two, we'll make stems. Now let's roll a plasticine sausage. Here comes another one. We need to cut these two into small pieces. Now let's put it all together. We will make tiny balls out of the dark green plasticine. It's very easy to attach them to the stems. And here is what we've got. Nice. It's a broccoli! Look how bright and juicy it is! Broccoli will make our dino very strong. You should also eat it, but not the one made of plasticine. I am sure that you will guess our next vegetable. It's very juicy and crunchy, and the bunnies love it too. Make a cone shape of it, like this. Do you know what it will be? And what if I say that we will roll the green plasticine next? That's right! It will be a carrot! Now we're going to make the carrot top, like this. Here we go, very gently. Now we can put the two pieces together and our carrot will be almost ready. We only need to make a few small notches. And it's done! You can't tell the difference from a real carrot, can you? Our next vegetables look like two brothers. One will be purple and the other one will be green. Can you try and guess what they are going to be? Give me a couple of seconds to finish these plasticine veggies. These are beautiful and delicious zucchini and eggplant. And now we're going to make the Queen of the Autumn Festival. What will it be? Is it an orange or a tangerine? Nope, they are both fruits, and we are making vegetables here. Any guesses? That's right, it's a pumpkin! It's so big, bright, and yummy. Is our dino going to try it? Oh yeah. And he seems to like it. While Dino is enjoying his veggies, let's make him a dessert out of fruit! The color wheel can help us choose the colors. The first one is orange. Let's make a peach. I know it's very tasty. First of all, we'll roll a ball. Now, let's use the stick to make a hollow, like this. Also, we need a tiny hole right here. We can add a little stem now. The peach was attached to branch with it. The next color is purple. Do you know any purple fruits or berries? I thought of grapes right away. First, we'll make a triangular shape that will be the base. We'll roll out a sausage of plasticine and cut it into small pieces. Now, we need to roll them into little balls. Look how many grapes we've got! All we need is to attach these balls to the base. What a beautiful bunch of grapes we've got! It should also have some green leaves. Let's see what's next. Yellow! This is my favorite color, because it's the color of the sun. What do you think my favorite fruit is? Let me show you. Roll out the plasticine so that the one edge is smaller than the other one. You need to get the shape like this. I think you already know what it is. That's right, it's a pear. Let's add a stem and a leaf to make our pear look real. And it's done. We can pick the last plasticine color now. And it's gonna be red! Do you know any fruits that are red? Yep, I thought of an apple too. Just look how beautiful it turned out. Now, to the leaf. And our plasticine apple is ready. Wow, Dino has a real feast waiting for him. Let's give him a taste. He likes it so much because fruits and vegetables are so tasty and healthy. Today we made a lot of fruits, berries, and vegetables. Yay! Well done, dear friends. See you soon.
Why can't you clean like that? Or at least they'll figure out a way to get those penguins to work for us.
I put the polar berries in here for safekeeping. Oh, this is where you came to hide from working.
Hey, Princess, guess what? I found a new food, even better than kibble. They were these berries with a nice frosty flavor. Too bad I didn't save you any.
You ate all of the polar berries?
Oh, is that what they were? Mwah, delicious!
You lazy, gluttonous feline.
Uh-oh, I know she's bad when she calls me a feline.
No, we were going to give those berries to the penguins to thank them for all their help.
Those berries are their favorite snack.
Oh, I didn't know. Why didn't you put a sign on them?
You've made some big mistakes around here, Cat, but this one is the biggest.
So, why don't I just go and fetch some more?
You can't! The only place you can find them is in the Polar Kingdom. It's too far away.
Well, if I hurry, maybe I could get back tonight? Let's at least try.
Kitty Cat is right. We have to let him try to fix his mistake. I'll go with you.
Yeah!
I'm telling you, I heard it with my own two eyes. The penguins want some polar berries.
Oh, and we want some penguins. We'll just have to do a trade. Bad Berry, where are you?
Doing my spring cleaning like everyone else who's not lazy.
Listen, we need a pot of berries.
Can I get back to my cleaning now?
No, we need you to put some kind of obedience spell on them.
Okay. Whoever eats these berries after you touch them will be in your command. Now can I go?
No, now you need to make them look like polar berries. Well, what are you still doing here? Polar Kingdom, here we come.
Well, it's a long trip. When you get tired, I'll pull for a while.
Berries for sale. Come and get your berries. There's nothing quite as tasty as these polar berries. Yes, we'll take them all.
Those berries sure are tasty. Very tasty.
Well, that was lucky. Saved my hooves some serious mileage.
Hey, don't the penguins look kind of strange to you? Excuse me, hello there. Where are you going? Stop it! Bad penguins! What's wrong with you? Stop breaking everything!
What's going on? Those berries weren't polar berries. They were obedience berries! Whoever touched the berries before the penguins ate them controls the penguins. And, guess who that was? Us!
What do you want with an army of penguins anyway?
Well, first we were going to ask them to clean our castle, but now we have a better idea. Capture Princess Billy!
Get inside the castle. We'll hold them off.
Where's that chicken cat when you need him? I hope Kitty Cat is okay out there. Well, if he hadn't eaten the real polar berries, none of this would have happened.
Oh, the nerve of that cat! First, he gets us all into this mess, and then he runs off and leaves us. Just wait till I see him. I'll pluck out his whiskers one by one.
Instead of complaining, let's try to fix this problem. I bet Ed the Wizard would know how to break the spell on the penguins.
But how are we going to get past the penguin army to go visit him?
Don't worry, I've got a plan.
Oh, well, I guess we've been outflanked.
But not outsmarted. Your plan worked, Billy. All the penguins chased the carriage.
But it's only a matter of time before they realize I'm not in it and start to look for me. So let's hurry. So, Ed, what can we do?
It's the trickiest of tricks, this obedience spell. You have to hurt and jerk the penguins back to their senses.
How do we do that?
It's like I told that other fellow who came by earlier. You have to find that exact particular thing the penguins love so much that it will make them remember who they were before the spell.
Other fellow? Who else asked you?
I did.
Sir Kitty Cats! I was so worried.
I ran all the way to the Polar Kingdom for polar berries. The penguins love them so much. Maybe they can break the spell.
That's a great idea. Let's give it a try. Surrender! Or we give our penguins the order to attack. Wait a minute. I need to speak with my royal guards. Okay, listen. Here's what we're going to do. Sometime today would be good. You think you could hurry it up a little?
We refuse to surrender!
The battle will begin when we hear your penguin's war cry.
Suit yourself. Let her rip. No fair!
Sir Kitty Cat, why are you giving the twin princesses polar berries?
Those aren't polar berries. They're obedience berries. I almost ate them before, but I decided to keep them, just in case.
We will obey you.
Well, Sir Kitty Cat, you said you'd clean the whole castle and you were true to your word. I commend you.
Well, it's easy when you have help.
Must clean Billy's castle. Must clean Billy's castle. They've worked awfully hard. It might be time to break the spell.
If we find something they love.
Got any pink lipstick?
We are so lucky to have a princess like you.
And I'm lucky to have a place like Magicy. Instead of freaking out, let's try to fix it.
Good idea.
Hey, the power cord.